Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to add a YouTube video to your product media like photo and video in Shopify. This is my product right now. As you can see, the product media is only for these two photos. Now, to add your YouTube video here, just go to shopify.com, click on login, fill in your email address, then your password. Click on products, then select the product you want to add a YouTube video for. Scroll down a little bit to this media section and click on this plus icon. Now this is my video, or instead of this one, let's use this video instead. Copy the video link like that and click on add from URL. Paste your YouTube video URL and click on add file. Wait a moment, and just like that, your YouTube video is added. Click on done and you will see it here. Now, no need to save or to click on save, because this change automatically publishes online. Let's scroll down a little bit, and this is my YouTube product video. The second thing I will show you here is how to edit this YouTube video thumbnail. Return to the products page, click on the YouTube video, and here below thumbnail, click on this little pen. Now upload your thumbnail from here. Double click it. I will use this Shopify photo. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. I think the new photo is added. Click on this exit icon from this corner, and let's refresh this page. And as you can see, this is my new YouTube video thumbnail. If I click on it, I will see my product, or my YouTube video product. Now, how to place this YouTube video on top of the images? It's simple. Just go back here, click on the plus icon, and now place not from here, from this product page, grab your video and drag and drop it like that, the first one or the second, depending on your need. And now, as you can see, media is saved. Let's refresh this page and my YouTube video should show up first, and this is it, and the other two photos are below. And this is how to add a YouTube product video in Shopify. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.